check outside my house. Don't know why, but it's there. I am shaking right now. This is the second time this has happened. The second time. I'm shaking so hard right now. And yes, another family member passed out. Except this time, it was a 4-year-old. My nephew, I think it's my nephew, Tori, she passed out. This is scary. Yeah, that was an update video. Goodbye.